Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to log out of YouTube TV on all devices. Alright, let's begin. To log out of YouTube TV across all your devices, start by accessing either the YouTube TV app or its website at tv.youtube.com. For a single device logout, simply click on your profile picture and select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. However, if you want to remove access from all devices simultaneously or manage multiple logins under your Google account, click on your profile picture again, but this time choose Manage your Google account. This opens a new tab where you'll navigate to Security, then scroll down until you see Your Devices. Clicking on Manage All Devices will display every device currently logged into both YouTube TV and other services linked with your Google account. To remove any device from access, select it and click Sign Out. This action removes that specific device's login credentials for both YouTube TV and other associated services. So that's basically how you can log out of YouTube TV on all devices. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.